Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the failed to join party error in Black Ops 6 on your PlayStation 5. Let's get started. Step 1. Set party privacy to open. On the Black Ops 6 multiplayer screen, look for the gear icon at the top, Party Settings. Ensure your party privacy is set to open. Sometimes having it on Friends Only or other restricted settings can prevent you from joining. Try inviting your friend or ask them to invite you. Make sure they also have their party settings set to open for the best results. Step 2. Update DNS settings. If Step 1 didn't solve it, here's how to adjust your DNS settings. Go to Settings, then Network. Then Settings, then Set up Internet connection. Select the network you're connected to and choose Advanced Settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Primary DNS 1.1.1.1. Secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Press OK and restart your console. This should help resolve any network-related issues that might be blocking party connections. After following these steps, you should be able to join or invite friends without any problems. If this helped, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Error Genie for more game fixes, and hit the notification bell for future updates. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!